free at waterproof tulad natin lahat. Okay? So wala dito, wala kang ulan, wala kang bagyo, dahil ito todo na natin to. Diba? Before I start my presentation, I just want to share a bit about my background. So, it's unusual in the cosmetic industry na may technical knowledge ang isang owner. It's usually marketing. Pare-pares na ang binibenta at nagkakatalo na rin paano nila ibenta. But what I think sets us apart is I myself formulate the products, I research, and I know what's new. So with all of our products, manonotice nyo, it's not your usual formula. So mamaya i-discuss ko sa inyo isa-isa ang mga new and upcoming products ng DeoFlex. Okay? So next slide please. So I just want to share a bit about my background. Dito po ako graduate sa UP Diliman. Kaya siguro curious kayo bakit ito ang pinili kong venue. Growing up, I have the love for learning. So hindi po ako takot na parang to study, to keep on learning. Iba parang napapagod sila kakaaral. Pero ako every time there's something new, na-excite ako. So every time there's a chance to develop new products, I get excited. Parang kinikilig ako, ganyan na pala. What if magkaroon yan sa Pilipinas? Siguro maraming makaka-benefit dito. Ayan. So some photos, ito po nung ako po pumasa ng board exam. And ganyan po yung itsura ko nung ako po nasa college. So I have acne-prone skin. That time hindi pa po ako nag-formulate. And now, kita nyo naman yung glow up, diba? So dahil yan lahat sa Mixture Beauty. And I would have to say there are 3 values that I learned sa pagiging isang chemist. So next slide please. First is curiosity. Ito po yung something na every time I'm outside, hindi mo na kailangan sabihin sa akin, uy, kumikot ka, tingnan mo kung anong meron dyan. Na-form po sa akin yung, paano kaya ito gumagana? Paano ko ba ito pwedeng maipasok sa maybe Mixture Beauty or a product that can elevate a certain product? So, pag pumunta po ako ng convention, ang typical na tinitingnan ng tao, di ba, yung new products. But ako, what I see are the studies. So, tulad po ng mga graphs na ganyan, kasi yan po ang importante. Actually, sa isang convention, ang mga published journals ang very important. Kasi nandiyan ang innovation. And very few people in the cosmetic industry in the Philippines innovate. Actually, paulit-ulit lang pinapalitan lang ang packaging. But ako, I believe, innovative products can set the Philippine standards higher. Okay? So, ito po mga machine to. So, this can check the moisture balance in the body. And pumupunta din po ako ng mga conventions all over the world para makita kung ano bang bago at pwedeng dalhin dito sa Pilipinas. So, ayun po, development, learning, that's one value na masasabi kong rare here in the Philippines. So, next. Pagiging relentless. So, ito po, ganyan po yung everyday life ko. When I was a cosmetic formulator, araw-araw, ang joke nga sa mga chemist, failure daw ang lab life namin. Laboratory life. Kasi, sanay kami, on the first try, it always fails. Ganun po ang lahat ng experiment. Kung nag-succeed yan sa first try, magulat ka. So, na-form po yung value ko na hindi yan laging magsasucceed, but you have to keep on trying until you find the right path, the right formula para makuha mo yung hinahanap mo. And napaka-importante nun sa business kasi wala namang madali sa umpisa. And I would have to say, sobrang relentless ko na nag-umpisa akong kahit mag-isa pa lang ako noon. We started, I had 2 employees. Willing ako to do the dirty work. Yung nagbubuhat, nagpo-formulate, nagtuturo kung paano maghalo. Kasi nasanay ako na dito sa work line of work ko is all around kami. Okay? So ganyan po yung job ko everyday. Di ba? Parang hindi ko kamukha tama yun, parang kikay ko ngayon. But actually the line of R&D is very, very interesting. And when it works with the right marketing people is talaga nagbubungang isang brand. Kasi kahit anong push mo ng product, kung hindi maganda ang formula mo and development, wala din. Okay? Next slide please. And lastly, ito po ang socials ko. So on Facebook and on TikTok, mapapansin niyo po ang mga trending videos ko na talagang umaabot ng millions are usually about safety, education about what to use, how to use, because people nowadays, they want to know what they're using. Hindi na po tulad noon, basta available sa supermarket, bibiling gagamitin. Nagre-research na ang tao ngayon. That's why, tulad po nitong video ko na do not mix these chemicals, mga household chemicals, nag-trending siya, umabot yata ng almost 3 million views kasi people want to know what they're putting in their houses, they're using for their kids. That's why, napaka-grateful ko na na-train kami as chemists before using any ingredient, i-research mo yan. Okay, so bago po ako nag-release ng product, each ingredient na nakikita nyo sa bote, ni-research ko gaano yung limit, paano gamitin, saan lang part ng body pwede, sinong pwede gumamit. Wala kayong maririnig na ganyan na brand owner. Usually kukuha lang sila siguro ng chemist, pero maalam ba yung tao? So dito, masasabi ko nga, at nasabi din ng marami kayo, all-in-one po pala kayo. Kayo ng brand ambassador, kayo na rin R&D, at kumbaga, everything in one. And proud ako doon. Kasi nowadays, gusto na ng tao makakita ng face behind the brand. And I am proud to say na as a scientist in the Philippines, isa tayo sa mga minamahal at tinatangkilik sa online. Okay, next slide please. So I have one question to ask. Satisfied ba kayo sa mga deodorant na ginagamit nyo? Iba po yung masaya, iba yung yan lang kasi ang available, at iba yung satisfied ako. Kasi for decades, kung anong available sa market are usually fragrance, nakakaitim, makate sa kilikili, and nakakapagtaka, bakit until now, wala pa rin brand na naglalabas na kumbaga nakikinig sa kailangan ng masa. So next slide please. Ito po yung madalas nating na-experience when we use deodorant. Umiitim ang kilikili kasi may mga synthetic na pabango. Irritating kasi either sobrang tapang, kulang ng pang-balance ng mga moisturizers, kasi you need technical knowledge to know the percentage na kailangan para maka-experience ng satisfaction, kumbaga comfort while using a deodorant. And yung iba naman, sige gamitin ko na lang ito kasi available sa market, pero hindi tumatagal as much as they want. Kung minsan, habang pa lang maasim na sila. And ito yung reason, sabi ko, there's this gap sa market. And ako personally, as someone na sweaty, bakit wala pang ganito? Diba? And next slide please. Ayan po. Ako po ay isang certified pasmado. So yung kamay ko po, kagigising ko pa lang, wala akong ginagawa. Pawisin. Sobra po akong pawisin. And na-notice ko na ang available na mga powders dito sa Pilipinas, meron po siyang talc. I think we're all familiar with talc. Yan yung nasa mga baby powders, ginagamit yan sa mga deo powders. But actually, if you research, meron na po mga published journals na nagko-conclude it's actually cancer-causing. So those powders you're using under your boobs, sa mga areas po na very delicate sa ating singit, may actually cause cancer. That's why ako sobrang nababahala ako na until now, a lot of brands still use talc powder. Okay? And dahil nga po certified pasmado ako, first product na nilabas ko, eh sabi ko dapat ako mismo gagamit. Diba? So, next slide please. Let's watch our company profile video.
Fun community events, such as our DeoFlex Zumba party, participated by over 600 guests. We've partnered with Psoriasis Philippines to introduce sensitive, safe products to people with compromised skin barrier, joining the Walk for Psoriasis Day. Our CEO has been featured in TV programs such as Kapuso More Jessica Soho, Para Para, and radio shows at DZMM. We continuously expand our business with a network of distributors and influencers nationwide who we consider are part of our success story. We believe that our growth is fueled by our CEO's goal of finding natural skin solutions to every skin problem. We will continue to push for growth, realizing our motto, better with Mixtrue.
Ayan, bigyan naman natin ng malaking palakpakan siya para sa DeoFlex. So as you can see, our product line, aside from DeoFlex, is meron pa po tayo for sensitive. We have a whitening line as well. And you can see how much potential we have. Kasi in just a few years, we're able to do so much at nafi-feature na rin tayo. Marami nang nakakapuna sa brand natin because they can see the quality, they can see the advocacy that all of our products are hearing what the public needs. No? Hindi yung kung ano lang meron dyan, let's change something and sell it. Kami po, naiiba yung mga formula namin. And I'm so blessed na kahit bago pa lang kami, minahal ng napakaraming tao ang DeoFlex brand. Next slide please. So I'll show you na we have topped social media platforms. So ito po ay TikTok, Shopee. So trending po kami and top selling. So high seller and trending category. We've also entered yung trending on Shopee. And bihira po ito kasi our price range is hindi po kami bagsak presyo. We believe to maintain the integrity of a brand is, manonotice niyo po dito ang price po namin, 265, one piece, pag dalawa po, 400 plus. So, hindi po kami pangmasa, pero tinatangkilik kami because of our quality. And that's what we stand for. Hindi ko po siya ibababa dahil lang para kumbaga, masabing naging trending, naging mabenta, but we stand for quality. Next slide, please. And here are some testimonials na talaga namang mala MMK sa haba. So sabi niya dito, at the age of 23, ito ang pinaka-effective na underarm product na nag-try ko. Goodbye po to talaga. Siyempre, tinry ko muna for more than a week bago magbigay ng feedback, walang malagkit feel at long-lasting din ang effect. Lahat ng claims sa packaging is legit na legit. Lifesaver talaga, kaya I highly recommend this to everyone, this product. Ayan. So, whenever I read feedbacks like this, ito po pala ay lahat po legit. So, nakakataba ng puso. Kasi yung personal struggle ko with sweat, sabi ko, masolusyonan ko lang tong sarili kong problem, maybe a few people ang matulungan ko, napakasaya ko lang. Pero so far, ang dami na namin natulungan at hindi ka naman magbibigay ng ganitong kahabang feedback kung hindi mo nakikita yung effectivity. And we are proud to say that we have so many 5-star reviews, TikTok, Shopee, hindi naman namin makumpile lahat sa sobrang dami. Another feedback, next slide please. Sabi niya, third bottle namin itong DeoFlex spray. Actually sa anak ko ito, 10 years old na babae. Ayan po, sa mga mommies out there, most of our moms takot gumamit ng Deo para sa mga kids. Takot gumamit ng tawas, nakakalitin, hindi gumagamit ng Deo. Pero marami ng bata ngayon, early puberty, nagkaka-body odor. And so we're proud to say on DeoFlex, this can be used 7 years old pataas. So even kids can use this. made with natural ingredients, and wala po itong pabango. Wala din siyang alcohol, unlike what's available sa market. So it's very unique. For people po na grabe magpawis, Dio Flex can really help you. Ito po ang first and second product namin sa Dio Flex. So duo sila. This is the whitening cream for our underarm and yung original deodorant spray. Okay? So sabi niya dito, nahabol pa ngayon ng iron. Mabilis daw ang shipping. Okay, next slide. Ito, sabi niya, this stuff is actual magic. I am very prone to body odor and I sweat like a pig in the summertime. Actually, ang mga baboy hindi naman pinapapawisan. Sabi ko, pero yun, ibig niya siguro sabihin, grabe talaga siyang magpawis. Maybe chubby siya. I was very wary of spray deodorant, but I find that it is very comfortable upon application and does not feel dry or chalky at all, and keeps me way drier than any other deodorant I tried. Best paired with the cream for faster skin lightening effect. O, diba? Yung mga ganito pag bumibili pa kayo online, nag-feedback pa kayo. Feedback. Masipag si sir. Kasi, to be honest, most na yun, pag sanay ka na bumili online, hindi ka na magta-type na ganito kahaba eh. 5-star mo na lang. Pero pag masaya ka talaga sa nabili mo, you will make a long review. Lalo na makabago na first time experience mo with a product so powerful, so effective, and so simple. Diba? Hindi ba kayo nagtataka? Ang tagal na ng Dio sa market. Decades na. Bakit walang gumagawa ng product that's simple, effective, and powerful? But finally, nandito na ang mga new products ng Dio Flex for us to enjoy. So next slide please. Ayan. It's so safe, it's so simple. So we've released 3 new products under the Dio Flex line. I'm very excited ako ikwento ang lahat ng sa inyo because each of them are unique and they offer a unique experience for each user. So next slide please. Our first product is the Dio Flex Ice Cool Soap. Ang sabon po ng Pilipinas, madalas whitening lang. Okay? It cleanses, it whitens, wala na iba. But have you heard of a soap that's cooling? Parang kang naka-aircon. May minty cool sensation siya, malamig-lamig. And it protects your skin dahil meron po itong antimicrobial natural oregano oil. Diba pag narinig nyo, saan ba pinakukuha itong chemist na ito yung mga ingredients niya? Damo-damo ba ito? Oregano. Actually, ang oregano, hindi lang siya nag-discover. Diba? Nilalagyan natin sa pagkain, but it's actually effective as an antimicrobial ingredient. So pag dinikdik nyo yan, nilagyan nyo sa mga sugat nyo, mabilis mag-heal kapag may oregano. Pero hindi na kayo magdidikdik pa kasi nilagyan na namin sa sabon. Ayan. Antimicrobial soap, it's cooling, parang may ice cool sensation. At for people na laging pawisin, madaling mainitan, paglabas mo sa shower, parang nasa shower ka pa rin. May ice cool sensation. O di ba naiiba? Parang baka naman natin ang ice cool soap. And I just want to share na itong sabon na to, it's a very unique formula kasi sobrang simple eh. Pag sabon, parang ginagamit mo naman siya everyday. Bakit hindi mo siya lagyan ng mga other function that can help your skin? Diba? It deodorizes, it freshens, at nakakatulong pa to mag-protect from bacteria. Okay, so long-lasting yung effect niya. Next slide, please. Our next powder, ito sobrang excited. Actually, ito yung favorite ni Ms. Rufa among the 3 products. Kasi she's a user of powder deodorant. And nung na-discover na niya, nakwento ko kasi sa kanya na yun na ang talc nowadays can cause, is cancer causing. And sabi niya, lagi na nilalagay, syempre medyo super B tayo, di ba? So, parang nilalagay ng powder si Ms. Rufa, all over talaga siya maglagay. And she wants something she can trust, di ba? So this powder It's fragrance-free, wala tong harsh chemical. Lahat ng risk, lahat ng worries yung tanggalin nila. Ako na nag-filter para sa inyo. This is the DeoFlex Powder Fresh. It's first in the market because wala po tong harsh chemical. Kahit isa, kahit i-research nyo, wala kayong research that is clinically backed na masama para sa inyo. Okay? And you can use this actually all over your body. Pero ang nilagay po namin hand and foot kasi dito po tayo grabe magpawis. Pero you can use it in other places as well na pinagpapawisan kayo sa likod, sa harap, saan pa ba? Sa singit, everywhere. Okay? Next slide please. Ito naman yung favorite ko. Okay? This is the DeoFlex Extreme Spray. Ito yung spray na kahit hindi ka maligo 3 araw, fresh ka pa rin. At lahat kayo, meron sa loot bag niya. I-try niyo sa bahay. Pag may sakit kayo, medyo makulat-kulat naman, hindi kailangan maligo. I-try niyo ang effectivity ng spray na to. Up to 72 hours, no body odor. Okay? And then, pagdating kasi sa price range of Deo sprays for hyperhidrosis, sa mga grabeng magpawis, ang price range niyan, 900 to 1,000 plus. Pero si Extreme Spray namin is only 265. So it's the price na alam kong kaya ng most Filipinos, and for people na grabe magpawis, I know they can't afford this product. Okay, this is fragrance-free, alcohol-free, so sa mga tao kong grabe magpawis, again, wala pa rin kayong iisipin, it's no risk at all. Okay, and maximum strength. Bakit ko tinawag na maximum strength? Ito yung nirecommend sa akin ng derma ko. Okay? So, growing up na ako po ay pasmado. Umikot na ako sa mga derma at tinatanong ko ano bang pwede sa kilikili ko kasi grabe ako magpawis sa kamay ko. Nirecommend ko sa akin ng mga walang label. Alam niyo mga sa derma, usually sticker lang. And when I use that product, grabe yung chicken skin. Lumabas yung chicken skin ko, namumula ko, and every time ginagamit ko yung dry na dry yung kilikili ko. Ang kulang sa derma ko, kulang siya ng mga moisturizing ingredients. Siguro dahil wala siyang knowledge pagdating sa formulation, nag-recommend siya, yes, it's safe for you, but not really for people na sensitive skin like you. So I made sure when I formulated this product, naglagay tayo ng pang-neutralize sa effectivity ng maximum strength. So hindi ka rin kayo matatakot dito because naglagay kami ng ingredients like allantoin. That's very gentle, nakakatulong to help soothe the skin. Hindi kayo makaka-experience na pangangati. Okay, next slide please. And with that, gusto ko lang din magpasalamat at gusto ko lang sabihin na here in Mixru, we believe in simplicity. So if there's a product that we will release, notice nyo, hindi kami naglalagay ng mga ingredients hindi mabasa. Paano ba i-pronounce itong mga ingredients na to? Most of the ingredients na nilalabas namin, very simple, but we know is effective. And makikita niyo sa product lines namin, innovative but simple. Tinatanggal namin lahat ng mga harmful ingredients, and we stick to the basics na powerful and effective. So with that, palakpakan natin ang DeoFlex and